In today's digital age, earning money online has become easier than ever, and the introduction of artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized passive income streams. In this video, we will explore 8 innovative methods that allow you to make money without breaking a sweat. No prior experience or extensive expertise is required. So, let's dive into these smart, AI-driven income-generating strategies that can be accessed from anywhere in the world. The first method we'll discuss is leveraging social media engagements to generate passive income. Let me introduce you to a website called Like for Like, designed to help you grow your social media accounts effortlessly. It operates by engaging with other users' content, earning you credits that can be exchanged for likes and follows on your own social media profiles. To make this process even more effortless, you can install a browser bot that automates the engagement, leaving you with a growing following. You can then sell these accounts on platforms like FameSwap for a handsome profit. Another opportunity to create passive income is by using short-form content on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. To start, visit QuickVid, a website that allows you to easily convert long YouTube videos into short clips. These short videos can be shared on various social media platforms, generating traffic that can be monetized through affiliate marketing. You can earn substantial commissions by promoting products relevant to your niche, such as online courses or affiliate programs. Creating websites is made effortless with AI-powered tools like Durable. By providing the AI with information on how you want your website to look and function, it generates a fully functional site for you in minutes. You can monetize this skill by offering website development services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, potentially earning between $400 and $2,000 for each site created. Alternatively, you can build websites for your own business, like dropshipping or a blog with a profitable niche in finance, health, relationships, or psychology. Creating passive income through YouTube ads is easier than you might think. You can produce lengthy videos, 10 minutes or more, with the assistance of AI tools, eliminating the need to appear on camera. Websites like Script AI can generate professional YouTube scripts for you, and Lumen 5 Inches edits videos using AI, sparing you the time-consuming task of video editing. With consistent content creation, you can build a substantial following and start earning through YouTube's ad revenue program. You can offer proofreading services through websites like People Per Hour, where clients pay up to $40 per text. The remarkable part is that you don't have to proofread or edit the text manually. By providing a simple prompt to AI tools like ChatGPT, you can have the text meticulously reviewed, corrected for grammar and spelling errors, and enhanced in less than a minute. This allows you to deliver your services swiftly, potentially charging between $25 and $35 per text. To generate income through transcription, visit Rev.com. This platform offers various transcription jobs, and they pay you between 30 cents and $1 for each minute of audio transcribed. While the pay may appear low, AI tools like RhythmX can transcribe audio faster and more accurately than a human. These tools save you time and effort, making the process more profitable. Even with a 50-minute audio file, you can earn up to $50 by leveraging AI transcription tools. You can also profit from podcast editing by setting up a gig as a podcast editor on freelance platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. People are willing to pay experts to edit their podcasts, and you can charge as much as $40 for this service. AI-powered platforms like Clean Voice can quickly and efficiently edit podcasts, allowing you to complete tasks within minutes. Offering competitive pricing can give you an edge in the market. Lastly, take advantage of AI for affiliate marketing. Create kits of recommended products using a platform like Kit.co. Organize these products based on specific niches generated by ChatGPT. The more items you add to your kit, the higher your potential earnings, as you'll receive a commission from each purchase made through your kit. You can also use AI-generated images and videos to create enticing marketing content. Additionally, sharing your content on platforms like Pinterest can boost your engagement and income. In conclusion, the integration of AI into various online income-generating methods has made it easier than ever to create passive income streams. With these innovative approaches, you can enjoy financial freedom while enjoying your well-deserved vacation. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest AI-driven money-making strategies and share this valuable information with your friends and fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. Your journey to financial success begins here. Thanks for watching. Links for the websites mentioned are in the description. Give this video a thumbs up if it was useful for you.